Welcome back! Today we're breaking down the 5 essential AI tools every engineer should master. It's not enough to just know about AI, you need to get hands-on and understand the frameworks shaping the future. We'll cover tools for building neural networks, running simulations, and turning theory into real-world solutions. Whether you're a seasoned engineer or just starting out, this guide will help you choose the right tool for any job. Let's jump in. First up, we have TensorFlow, Google's powerhouse framework, meticulously designed for production-level machine learning deployments. It's not just a library, it's a comprehensive ecosystem built to scale. Its vast and ever-expanding ecosystem includes TFX, a powerful tool for building robust and reliable machine learning pipelines, TensorFlow Lite, optimized for on-device inference on mobile platforms, and TensorFlow.js, bringing the power of machine learning directly to web browsers, makes it an incredibly versatile choice for a wide range of applications, from embedded systems to large-scale cloud deployments. TensorFlow's static computation graph translates to serious performance gains and impressive scalability, making it perfectly suited for handling massive datasets and enabling distributed training across clusters. Keras, now seamlessly and fully integrated into TensorFlow, empowers you to rapidly prototype and experiment with different model architectures through its intuitive and user-friendly interface, while still offering the flexibility for deep customization and fine-grained control over your models. It's designed to be approachable and easy to learn for beginners, yet remains robust and powerful enough to tackle even the most advanced and complex AI projects. Learning TensorFlow is akin to learning the fundamental language of industrial AI. It's becoming increasingly ubiquitous and integrated into countless applications, from powering search engines to enabling intelligent voice assistants. If your ambition is to build and deploy impactful real-world AI products that solve real problems, then TensorFlow is undoubtedly a must-have tool in your arsenal. It's a cornerstone, a foundational element of the modern technology stack for machine learning. Next on our list is PyTorch, a framework that has rapidly become the undisputed favorite of researchers, academics, and innovators alike. Its appeal lies in its intuitive design and powerful capabilities. Originally developed and maintained by Meta, PyTorch's dynamic computation graphs offer a significant advantage, making experimentation remarkably fast and flexible, a crucial aspect for iterative development. This is perfect for exploring novel architectures, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and enabling rapid prototyping of new models. Its Python-first approach feels natural and accessible, making debugging and the entire iteration process seamless and efficient. PyTorch currently dominates academic research and is quickly gaining significant ground in industry applications, especially with user-friendly tools like TorchServe designed for streamlined deployment. If your work involves exploring cutting-edge ideas or you deeply value flexibility in your development process, then PyTorch is undoubtedly your go-to framework. It empowers creative